Imagine a place where danger meets precision, where one of the world's most feared creatures is transformed.
Behind these doors, thousands of snakes are handled daily. Not for display, not for research, but for food. From live handling to final packaging, every step follows strict safety and hygiene rules. Most people have never seen how this industry truly works, and many would be shocked to learn how similar it is to other large meat processing plants.
Because the machines, methods, and systems inside this factory may completely change the way you think about snake meat.
We're taking you deep inside a modern snake meat processing facility to uncover a process few cameras have ever captured.
Combines skilled workers, protective equipment, and advanced machinery to safely process one of nature's most dangerous animals. In this video, you'll see how snakes are sourced from controlled farms, how workers ensure safety at every stage. By the end of this video, you'll understand how technology, discipline, and modern food science turn something wild into something consumable. Inside modern snake meat production, everything begins far from the factory floor.
These farms are nothing like wild environments.
Each enclosure is carefully structured to regulate temperature, humidity, and lighting, creating stable conditions that support healthy growth. Snakes are raised from hatchlings, monitored daily by trained handlers who understand species behavior, feeding cycles, and stress indicators. Diets are calculated to ensure consistent muscle development and meat quality, often using controlled protein sources rather than wild prey. This early stage is critical because stress or poor health at the farm level directly affects meat quality later. What surprises most people is how calm and systematic these farms are, relying more on science than strength. By the time snakes reach maturity, they are already part of a carefully planned supply chain. By the time snakes reach maturity, they are already part of a carefully planned supply chain. Designed to meet snakes reach processing age, transportation becomes one of the most sensitive stages in the entire operation. Each container is labeled, sealed, and logged, ensuring complete traceability from farm to factory.
Any animal showing signs of illness or injury is immediately separated.
This step ensures only approved, healthy snakes enter the production line. This level of preparation highlights how modern facilities prioritize risk management. The goal is not speed alone, but consistency, safety, and compliance with international snake regulations.
Handling snakes inside a processing facility requires an exceptional level of training and discipline.
This step is closely monitored and documented, following animal welfare guidelines enforced by regulatory authorities.
This stage reflects the intersection of ethics, safety, and efficiency.
By maintaining strict control at this stage, the factory reduces risk, protects workers, and ensured the quality of the meat moving forward.
Once removed, skins are cleaned, treated, and sent to separate processing units.
Ensure all parameters are optimal. Understood. Double checking now. Once separated, the snake meat enters an intensive cleaning and inspection phase.
Tại kiếm bắn sông tương tiêm plụng tiêu làm. Tại thốc tự thơ bưng tiêu bình tiểu đàm hỏng, nângคือพันthiết bưng không sông sông.
Any irregularities result in immediate removal.
Transcription. Automation assists with consistency, but human judgment remains essential.
This relentless focus on cleanliness is critical for consumer safety.
Depending on destination and demand, snake meat is either cooked or frozen.
From here, shipments move to domestic markets or international export channels. Every box represents a tightly regulated journey from farm to factory to consumer.